Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Visual Studio and any dependent tools so files aren't locked. Once done, open the Start menu and launch Visual Studio Installer. Run it as your current user. If the installer asks you to sign in, do so. This assures access to installed workloads. Make sure you have an internet connection because the uninstaller may fetch removal metadata. Now that the installer is up and lists your Visual Studio 2022 instance, get ready to remove components. You'll next pick the Visual Studio 2022 entry and choose Modify to inspect workloads and components. This lets you control what stays versus what goes. Uncheck entire workloads first to remove large feature sets, then expand individual components and uncheck specific SDKs, tools, or language packs. Once selections match your intent, click Uninstall or Apply Modify so the installer removes them. Progress will display. Keep the window open until it finishes. If multiple instances exist, repeat per instance to avoid leftovers. After the uninstall completes, restart your computer to let services and locked files clear. This finalizes the removal. Reopen the Visual Studio installer to confirm no Visual Studio 2022 instances remain. If one does, choose Uninstall until the list is empty. If you encounter stubborn files, run the Visual Studio Uninstaller, Microsoft Support Removal Tool, or run Repair first, then uninstall again. Quick tip: if the installer errors, reboot and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.